across the tracks. Once our rear end is completely clear of the tracks, we're going to turn our hazards off, close our window. Demonstrating an emergency stop. If you have a problem with the bus, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put our right hand turn signal on. We're going to check all of our mirrors. We're going to pull off onto the shoulder. Come to a smooth stop, get all the way off of the road, all the way onto the shoulder. We're going to come to a complete stop and we're going to secure our bus. So we secured our bus, we're going to turn our hazards on. We're making sure we're not blocking a fire hydrant, an intersection, or a driveway. And if we were here longer than 10 minutes, we'd get our triangle box out right here and we'd set up our reflectors.